How did the first computer viruses change OS security history? Imagine a time when computers were just starting to become part of everyday life. No one thought about viruses or malware, and operating systems had very little protection. Then, something changed that forever altered how we think about computer security. The first computer viruses appeared and showed everyone that operating systems could be vulnerable. These early viruses, like the brain virus in 1986, infected floppy disks and exploited how operating systems handled files and disk management. They spread by manipulating the way computers read and write data, revealing weak spots in the system's defenses. This was a wake-up call for everyone involved in computer technology. It became clear that operating systems, especially simpler ones like MS-DOS and early Windows versions, lacked protections against malicious code. They didn't have safeguards to stop viruses from injecting or modifying files. This realization led to the development of antivirus software, which could scan and detect harmful programs before they caused damage. These early tools worked alongside the operating system, creating a new layer of security. As viruses evolved, operating systems started to include better controls. They introduced stricter file permissions, user access restrictions, and protections against unauthorized code execution. These changes made it harder for viruses to spread or damage critical system files. Over time, operating systems added features like memory protection and secure boot processes. These features aimed to prevent malicious programs from gaining control during startup or while running. As viruses began to spread through networks and email, operating systems also integrated firewall capabilities and network security protocols. This shift helped block malicious traffic and stop viruses from spreading across connected systems. Looking at different operating systems, we see how they responded to these threats. MS-DOS and early Windows systems, with their simple security models, were more vulnerable and needed external antivirus tools. Unix-based systems like Linux, with their multi-user design and permission systems, had a stronger foundation but still faced threats. macOS, initially less targeted due to its smaller user base, later adopted similar security measures as threats increased. The first computer viruses changed OS security by making developers realize that security had to be built into the core of operating systems. They transformed operating systems from basic task managers into complex platforms with integrated security features. This shift made users and organizations more aware of the importance of updates, patches, and cautious software use. Today, these lessons still influence how operating systems are designed and maintained, keeping our digital world safer.